Hi Sumit, how are you? So thank you very much for all your Python lessons. They've been very, very informative. Um, it's really helpful to like see you do the problems and then follow along and then look at your videos and then follow those examples and walking step by step through each problem. That made it like a lot more enjoyable, and it's pretty incredible how far we got in maybe like a month and a half period or something like that. Maybe like 2 months almost. But yeah, we did a lot of work, and I think I understand Python so much better now because of you. Even though I already knew parts of it in the past. Um, yeah, and then like being able to do your own practice projects and practice problems, that really helps to reinforce the skills. Um, and I don't really have any suggestions. I think this is like a very good framework for future students that you might have. It's definitely, I think, the easiest way to learn the material, especially if you're doing remote learning via video chat. So I think uh, this is probably the best way to do it, and it's probably and it definitely is insightful. So thank you very much.